Hi, it's your girl Sierra, back with another Bare Beady Yoga video. Today we're going to be exploring Bhramari Breath, also known as Bumble Bee Breath. If you're tired of those restless nights of endless tossing and turning, this is the breath for you. It's going to help you unlock that full good night's rest that we all want. So if you're ready to explore the tranquility that this breath has to offer, meet me in a comfortable seated position. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the benefits of this breathing exercise, who it is for, a little bit who it's not for, when to do it, and I'm going to give a demonstration, and then we're going to do the breath together, taking 2 or 3 rounds at your own pace, and we're going to experience what this breath has to offer. So first, the benefits. Why you clicked on this video, number 1 is basically it's for a good night's sleep. And why it's for a good night's sleep is it activates the pineal gland. The pineal gland is something that helps you drift into a deeper sleep and into those deep dream states. It also is good for soothing and calming the nervous system. Whenever we're doing any breath technique and we're focusing on the breath, that is sending a signal to our brain that it's time to calm down. So that's why breathing exercises are so important. The last thing that it offers is it lowers blood pressure. When should you do this breath? Basically, when you should do it is anytime you're feeling stressed or overstimulated or you're having bad anxiety. This is the perfect breath for you because it takes you out of that anxious mode and puts you into the breath technique and basically focuses your mind on it. Also, you might benefit doing it before bed. I've had several stories from people that I went to yoga school with. They couldn't sleep before, and then they shared to the group that they haven't gotten a night's sleep like that before. I also experienced the benefits of it because I used it to put my kids and my partner to sleep. So if you're thinking about if this breath works, it really does, and I hope that you add it to your toolbox and use it whenever you need it, and it benefits you too. Who is this breath for? This breath is for people who are having anxiety. This is for kids. This is a beautiful breath for kids because they like the bumblebee noise and doing the humming. So if you're a kid's yoga teacher or you're a parent, this is a great breath to offer the kids. And also, if you're a parent trying to put your kids to sleep, this is also good for you. If you're having sleep issues, this breath will really benefit you. Let's jump into the demonstration. So for bumblebee breath, you're gonna want to take your tongue where the gums and the teeth meet. So kind of like right here, if you can see that. And then we're going to take our thumbs and put them on the flaps of our ears, but don't do that just yet because I still want you to hear me. And then we're going to take our fingertips and place it on the center of our head where you kind of had a soft spot when you're a baby. And then we're going to inhale through our nose. And as you exhale, you're going to also exhale through the nose. But while you're exhaling, you're also going to make a humming noise. And I'll demonstrate that humming noise. It can be either just a regular hum, or some people like to add a tune to it where you kind of feel it and you'll know the tune that you want to do when you're doing the breath. I'll just put it that way. So I'll demonstrate a regular tune and kind of like one that I like to do on my own. So inhale deeply through the nose, pressing the flaps. And exhale. And then I'm going to demonstrate with the little humming noise that I like to do, so you can try your own. Inhale deeply through the nose, placing the tongue where the gums and the teeth meet. it's important to know that you don't have to use your hands whenever you're doing this, because some people don't like doing it, and you might be in a situation where you can't use your hands, so you can do it without your hands. Especially when you're driving, you don't want to do it with your hands, or maybe you need to calm down in the grocery store because you're getting a lot of anxiety. Maybe you don't want to look weird. I don't know. I don't know what the case may be, but if you don't want to use your hands, you don't have to. So know that that is okay. And when I'm doing this with you guys, I'm not going to be using my hands because I'm going to be walking and guiding you through it. So inhale deeply, sitting up nice and tall. And exhale, tongue meets the roof of the mouth, and begin your humming. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply one more time. Pausing for a moment and resting in the beautiful vibration that you just created within you. Gently open the eyes, and I just want to thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope this breath helps you as much as it helped me. I just wanted to know that there is a contraindication for this breathing exercise. So if you're experiencing any chest pain, or you've experienced epilepsy, or if you're having sinus or ear infections, this breath is maybe something that you might want to hold off till later. Otherwise, go ahead and enjoy it. And I thank you so much for joining me. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, friends, peace, love, and Jai Bhagwan.